right, joining me now is Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Aronberg. Dave, great to see you again. Just talk about what are the biggest hurdles here for the prosecution and for the defense?
It's good to be with you, Nichole. For the prosecution, you've got to get over the barrier that parents are responsible for the actions of their underage children. And that's something we haven't seen before. But the facts here are really damning, and that's the big hurdle for the defense. We haven't seen a case like this before where the parents know their kid is troubled. After all, the son had complained to the parents saying there were demons in the house, and the demons were throwing dishes, and he was torturing birds and other small animals. And so they knew he was troubled, and what they do? They bought him a gun. And then when they had the chance to do something about it at school, when they were called into the principal's office, they never mentioned that he had access to a gun. They never tried to check his book bag, and they refused to take him home that day. So I think the facts are the best thing for the prosecution, but unfortunately, the lack of precedent is the worst thing.
You know, and Dave, talk about the strategy behind these two now being tried separately versus when they were originally going to be tried together, and how that could impact things.
It's usually to the benefit of the defense to try the defendants separately, because then they can point the fingers at each other. Now, for the prosecution, it's good that they're trying the mother first, because the mother, to me, is more culpable. You don't want someone to watch the other at trial. It gives them an advantage. So there's an advantage to being the husband here. He gets to watch a rehearsal, essentially, of his trial by watching his wife on trial. But for prosecutors, we're used to this. Defense lawyers usually get their way when they want to split up the defendants, because the tie always goes to the defendant. They have a Sixth Amendment right to a fair trial, and judges will bend over backwards to make sure that happens.
You know, and what type of precedent do you think this case could set as it moves forward?
People are sick and tired of these mass shootings, and I think this could set a positive precedent that if you are a parent and you act so recklessly with your underage kids, that you're going to be held accountable. Now, this is more than just being a negligent parent, like the fact that they left him alone all the time. But here, they bought him a gun. And that was something that was so outrageous for someone who's troubled. And then when he was caught soon thereafter by a teacher looking on his cell phone for ammunition, the mother refused to take the call from the school and said to her son in a text message, "LOL, I'm not mad at you, just don't get caught." And then, as I said before, they refused to take him home later on. They refused to check his book bag. They refused to tell the school he had access to a gun. And then after the son was in jail, they fled. They tried to hide from police. And then they bought themselves a fancy defense lawyer and left their son with a public defender. They're never going to win Parents of the Year.
Yes. Flags here left. To appeal his sentence. How could that impact his parents' trials if he's called to testify?
Well, because he's appealing, he does have a Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Even though he's already been found guilty, it's on appeal. So he could say, I'm not testifying because I have constitutional rights. And that's where it could impact it. But I don't think his testimony is that important, quite frankly, because there's video, there are witnesses. And I think this case, in my mind, is a strong case for prosecutors, even with the lack of precedent.
All right, State Attorney Dave Aronberg, great speaking with you as always. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.